So when we learn something new, it is always nice to learn with examples or a different type of game. Say for example, we are learning addition. We always teach by showing different objects and we add it up together, and in this way it gets rooted in our mind. So now we are going to talk about the causes of soil erosion and what are the main causes of the soil erosion. We are going to learn it by using the concept map. So we call it the concept map. So when we learn it as a concept map, it gets registered in our mind. So what are the causes of soil erosion? There are many, especially if you see when there is heavy rainfall, then the strong winds, all these cause soil erosion. So the first cause of soil erosion is deforestation, that is the unnecessary cutting down of trees. The next is the impact of rainfall. The next cause is strong winds. So the strong winds, when strong winds blow, they carry along with them the soil that is used for cultivation and thus leaving the land barren. The next cause is the heat of the sun. So the extreme heat of the sun causes the drying up of the soil and thus their cultivation is not possible. The next cause is absence of plants. So we have seen that the roots of the soil is responsible for holding firmly together the soil, thus preventing soil erosion. But in the case of absence of plants, all these causes affect the soil, that is the rainfall, wind, etc. causes the soil to be eroded. So the next is your absence of plants. The next cause is your overgrazing. There should be separate places assigned for the cattle to graze and they are known as your pastures. In case there are no pastures, then the overgrazing leads to the cattle eating up all the plants and thus leaving the land barren. So overgrazing is another main cause for soil erosion. And the last is the ploughing of hills. So ploughing of hills also leads to soil erosion. So by learning this concept map, we can understand what are the causes of soil erosion. So the first is your deforestation. So cutting down of trees, deforestation. The impact of rainfall, strong winds, heat of the sun, absence of plants, overgrazing and your ploughing of hills. So these are all the causes of soil erosion. Deforestation, heat of the sun, impact of rainfall, strong winds, absence of plants, overgrazing and your ploughing of hills.